Whether you're thinking about crafting with pool noodles, pill bottles, or wood, or a little bit of everything, today's project is all about thinking outside the box and having fun. With a serrated knife, I went on and I cut the upper section of these pill bottles, and then these 3 rings, I'm going to be attaching all 3 together and then to the bottom.
Pool noodles scattered, plastic destiny. You say, why even try? Why bother with these things? Bags of bottle caps, lonely pieces on the floor.
I'm gonna go ahead and paint this entire bottle with white chalk paint. And I'll give it 2 coats. Last year I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased 2 of these candle holders. I thought that the shape was so beautiful, and now is time to put them to use. With plenty of hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue that pill bottle right on top. The greenery is already there, and then this little flower, I just put it here to see how it looks. It kept coming off, so I later on went in there and used hot glue and problem solved. In the meantime, I'm gonna be taking some of this jute cord and I'm going to be wrapping it around wherever I see imperfection.
I see not junk, see adventures wanting more. Your voice behind me, doubting the plan, but I just laugh. Tape on my hands, foam and chaos, a wild gentle mess. Hot glue burning, I surrender to the stress. Where you see clutter, I see music in the making. Spanish chords rising as my courage starts waking. Turning what's lost into the thing I crave. Don't blink, you'll miss the way I'm making nothing into something. Oh, you know that's where I shine. Puzzle parts into belonging. All this love in my days.
And look at how cute this turned out. All I did was add some greenery and that was it. And for the second bottle, I'm not gonna put you through the torture. All I did was take the serrated knife, cut the top section, and added these 2 pieces of wood up here. A ring and this piece of wood, you could find it at Temu. And then that was it. I hope you enjoy it.
Making nothing into something, turning broken into shine. Puzzle pieces found along and along.
For this next project, I'm going to be taking 2 pill bottles and I'm going to be gluing them right by the top, just as you see here. And then I'm going to be adding more hot glue on this section because the pill bottles are kind of loose. I want to make sure that they don't move, and I'm going to be doing that to both of them. And then I'm going to be adding some yarn right in the middle just to fill that section in, because I wanted to make sure that it's like kind of even with the bottles. I don't know if that makes sense, but keep watching and it'll make sense to you.
Where you see clutter, I see music in the making. Spanish chords rising as my courage starts waking. Turning what's lost into the thing I crave. Don't blink, you'll miss the way I'm making nothing into something. Oh, you know that's where I shine.
I have this peel and stick that I already cut to size. So all I'm gonna do is wrap both of these pill bottles with this beautiful peel and stick. This is so cute.
Puzzle parts into belonging. All this love in my design. Spanish guitar, slow and warm. See me lost and found reborn. Hand-stained bright colors in my hair. Do you feel it? Magic everywhere.
In this section, I'm just gonna go ahead and make some little cuts so like that we could go ahead and wrap it around this bottom section here.
noodles scattered, plastic destiny. You say, why even try? Why bother with these things? Bags of bottle caps, lonely pieces on the floor. I see not junk, see adventure.
And then these two painter stick, I found this in my scrap, so I took both of them and I'm going to be painting them with this acrylic gold paint. And I'm going to be painting the front and back, along with these wood rings. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this together, creating a rolling pin. When I wrapped the peel and stick around the pill bottles, I noticed a few wrinkles, but no worry. If you're making this, just make sure that you take your time and do section at a time so it could come out nice and smooth. Just remember that I'm here only to inspire you. As you can see, I am gluing both of these two rings on each side, and then I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the painter sticks.
Oh, you know that's where I shine. Puzzle parts in to belonging. All this love in my design.
Once I'm done adding both of the painter sticks, I'm going to put it to the side. This board, I purchased this at Dollar Tree when the season was over and they had them for 25 cents. So I took all of them and now it's time to put them to use. So I'm taking it to my mini desk miter saw and I am cutting this section right here. And then I'm going to take white chalk paint and I'm going to give it 3 entire coats. I'm taking these bamboo sticks and I am going to be giving it 1 coat with the same acrylic gold paint. Then I'm going to cut them to size and I'll be placing them on the board that I just painted.
Crafts a story that becomes then nothing into something. Oh, you know that's where I shine. Puzzle parts in to belonging. All this love in my design. Spanish guitar.
So I have some of these gold leaves. I'm just gonna go ahead and place them wherever I think it looks cute. And I also mark the section where the rolling pin is gonna go at. And in the middle section, I also added some leaves that I cut off, some loose leaf, along with a small butterfly. But then later on, I came in and I rearranged it. And I think that the way that I rearranged it looks a lot better. Do you do the same thing when you're crafting? I mean, I find myself doing that pretty often. Let me know in the comment section. Am I the only one that is constantly doing this? If you tell me yes, I am going to feel much better. Just want to make sure that I'm not the only one doing this. So let me go ahead and glue this in place and look, I think this looks cute. You cannot hardly see the wrinkles. There's only 1 wrinkle in front, if you can tell, but I think that for the most part it came out so pretty. And then of course I'm going to be distressing both of the corners with the same acrylic gold paint. And my dear friends, today I am collaborating with Loli from Loli D's Creations along with Craft Away with May on a budget, and Lovely Moments Created with Jenny. The links to their channels are listed down below in my description box. They have so much inspiration, so don't forget to go ahead and visit them. And here's the final reveal.
Into something. Oh, you know that's where I shine.
For project number 3, I'm going to be using pool noodle. I went on and I cut 2 pieces of the pool noodle. I'm going to go ahead and paint it with this black chalk paint. Now they're dry, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed to wrap them up with some of this jute cord, and it's braided. I purchased this at Temu. And of course, I'm gonna do this to both of them. And here it is. This is the way it looks. And then once it's done, then I'm going to go ahead and I have these 2 candle holders that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Before I go further, I'm going to be wrapping some of this jute cord on both of the corners, and I'll repeat the same step with the second candle holder. And of course we have to clean it up a little, so I'm using a little fire to just clean it up and get all the fuzzy hair burned so it could look nice and clean. And here it is. So let's go ahead and put some hot glue right here. Just add the piece of puru noodle right up there. This looks so cute. I really like this. And I am adding a white candle. Of course, I'm going to be doing that to both of them. I'm going to add some glue right there and then press this down, and it fits nice and tight. And as I'm sitting here, I'm wondering what the girls are going to come up with. So I'm going to be watching their video as well. Don't you forget to go ahead, visit Loli, May, and Jenny for more inspiration. And let me know in the comment section which is your favorite project so far.
The way I'm making nothing into something. Oh, you know that's where I shine. Puzzle parts in two.
I'm going to continue to use more pool noodles. This one I cut it, but I cut it thinner. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half, and then I'm going to go ahead and paint it. I'm also going to paint this vase the same color, and the color is Cloudless. I love this color. It is acrylic paint, and I purchased this at Walmart. You could get this anywhere. This is all done, so now I'm going to go back to the little pool noodle, and I'm going to be wrapping a piece of jute twine right here on the pool noodle, and I'm going to tuck it in with some hot glue. And then once I have both of them wrapped around just like you see here, this looks so pretty. I really like this one. And then I'm going to go ahead with more hot glue and glue it to the vase. Now that both of them are completely done, then let's go ahead and put some hot glue and put it right here. Look at how nicely this is coming together. And this project was nice and simple, yet so elegant. Here's the final review. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section.
Hot glue burning, I surrender to the stress. Where you see clutter, I see music in the...
Okay, I have another piece of pool noodle. This one I just did one cut so it could be able to wrap right around this candle holder. I'm going to add plenty of hot glue so it won't move out of place. And then I have all kinds of little white flowers that I found here and there in the bottom of my stash. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start placing them on the pool noodle. This one is very simple yet so elegant. I was showing this to my son, and he said that I cheated because I could not see the pool noodle, that if he was the judge he would disqualify me. How's that for a living? What do you think about that? Can this be disqualified? I mean, hello. I told him, get out of my craft room. He left and he was laughing. And thank you so much for sticking around until the end of this video. I have created several projects, so be sure to let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. A big thanks to my amazing subscribers and a warm welcome to my future subscribers. Stay tuned, there's more creative contests coming your way, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so like that you never miss on any of my future projects. And then this is it. I'm adding a little bit of mulch, and here is the final review. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and I will see you soon.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.